What happened, Kleb? Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today I'm with the Kleb. How are you doing today, sir? Kleb, you know where we're going to today?
Taco Bell.
We're going to Big D's. We're getting burgers that are stacked like that. The biggest novelty, craziest burgers you can imagine. Not only is this a burger joint, it's also a dessert joint. Not big on desserts, but damn, these things look impressive. Too much to tell you about, so let's just go and experience it. Should we go see Bob? Let's go see Bob.
I love Bob.
Oh, dude, damn. Let's race. There's a lot of Corvettes out today. Punch buggy, no punch backs. Boom. Just kidding. Slug bug. Another Corvette. It's definitely a change of pace from the normal Prius sightings, and a welcomed one at that. That thing was cool, whatever that was. So if anybody's at the Trabuco General Store waiting for us, I'm going to invite them along for today's adventures. I mean, not if it's like a group of 5, but if there's like one dude that approaches me, yeah, I'm going to invite him along. What's up, Bob? Bob's got stuff. Kleb, I got a sticker. I got a Kleb sticker. Huge fan of U-Sub-D. Actually paid for my meal at Denny's 2 years ago. We got another note. Sub-D. Rode from Vegas down and had to stop by and say hi to Bob. Love the vids.
You want to pop it on under the cock?
I don't want to touch that cock. Oh, excuse me. What's up, man?
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Big fan.
How long you been riding?
About 4 years.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Come along. I'm gonna buy you lunch today.
Thank you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
It was lovely to meet you.
Fish! Today's a really nice day. I'm gonna try to get done with this video as fast as I can because I want to go ride dirt. Perfect day for dirt. I feel like I should try to race this expensive looking Mercedes. I'm gonna race him, he's not gonna know I'm gonna race him. How about that? I won. Got me. I guess I should tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to. Except there's not a whole lot to tell. The place we're going to is called Big D's. It's in Whittier, California. About an hour from the Trabuco General Store. Really, what brought this place to my attention is their amazing Instagram page. I don't know if the food tastes that good. Visually, everything looks amazing. I feel like they designed their menu for Instagram. For the burger we're after, it's called the Big and Tasty. I feel like McDonald's had a burger called that. This thing's massive. It's 3 12-ounce patties. It's got an onion ring wrapped in bacon, Texas toast for buns, and just a whole bunch of other stuff piled on. I mean, this thing's like that big. The other thing that I'm interested in is dessert. I'm not a big dessert guy, and you guys know that. You never see me eat sweets, really. But again, the Instagram photos this place takes of their desserts, it's brought me out. I gotta try the dessert. I'm not even gonna try to describe the desserts. Let me just tell you, they're massive and photo video worthy. I'm gonna stop talking about this place, and you're just gonna have to wait till we get there, and you're gonna be amazed. Is this our buddy? It's definitely him. Out of my way, Chris. Sorry guys, I have a feeling today is going to be a short video. Not a lot happening. I'm bored. I'm happy to see so many of you come over and check out the new channel, Extra Delinquent. I really appreciate that. It's kind of cool, right? You get to see a different side of me. I tell you though, I sure enjoy the channel. It's kind of like a breath of fresh air. I've been doing the same format video for years, so it's kind of fun to just toss out some stuff that you're not normally used to doing. Definitely more Corvettes than Priuses today. I screwed up. I was supposed to get off 605 and I didn't. Hopefully GPS reroutes itself. Fun on-ramp. Prius. They just kind of all follow each other. I wonder if they wave at each other. You know how like Jeeps and motorcyclists all kind of wave at each other? It's like this brotherhood. I wonder if the Priuses do that. And they like share granola bars and tissues. Kill switch is amateur hour. Here, $10 to Chaparral.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm pretty sure we passed our destination. Kleb kind of took the lead. I don't know where he's going. I mean, I guess I kind of have an idea where he's going. I'm assuming he's looking for Taco Bell to get some of that glorious hot sauce he likes so much. Hi.
I like that motorcycle, they're nice.
Oh, I appreciate that.
Go in now, we're ready, we're going to go.
Oh, you're gonna hold the door? Oh,
No,
thank
yeah, because,
Thank you for your
you're welcome. Have a nice day.
That's a lot of hot sauce.
You need it all.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, yeah.
We lost him. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's right next to me the whole time. Oh, it's right there on the corner. Takeout parking only. Crap.
I'm gonna need a triple shot of water on the rock.
All right, let's eat. Alright guys, Big D's Burgers. What'd you think?
I got the caviar milkshake.
Caviar milkshake. You got the big and tasty, man, but you skimped out a little bit. You didn't get the 3 patties, you did the 2 patties. Either way, that thing was massive. The thing was so messy. It was painful watching you eat that thing. I see the Taco Bell hot sauce got you through it.
Definitely helped me out.
For the homies. What about you? What'd you get?
I got the pizza fries.
You got pizza fries at a burger place.
I did. It was interesting. It was different.
Was it good?
It was really good. It was.
If you were in this area again, would you swing through?
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of feel the same way. I got a bacon cheeseburger and I was impressed with it. If you guys are in the area, come through, check it out. Their desserts were amazing. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Make sure you go over to Kleb's channel, see what he's up to. He's always into some funny stuff there. Make sure you support the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, law offices of Haddad and Voss Helmets. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Big shout out to all you Patreons. Without you guys, man, I probably wouldn't be doing this. Actually, I would be, but I wouldn't be having as much fun. Fish, good to have you along, man. Glad we crossed paths at Trabuco General Store. Maybe we'll see each other again sometime. Make sure you check out the second channel, Extra Delinquent. So I'll catch you guys later.